cookies! Oh no. I know, Bill. Cookies deserve cold milk. Ugh. If your fridge doesn't seem to be getting cool enough, but it's already set to the recommended temperature, don't worry. First, check that your fridge has enough clearance. There should be 2 inches at the back, top, and sides. This allows air to circulate and the heat from the fridge will be able to freely move away from the unit. Now, just like the exterior, the inside of your fridge also needs to have enough space for air to circulate. So it's important to not block the vents. Place food items at least 2 inches away from the vents. 2 inches is perfect clearance between items too, to make sure everything gets nice and chilly. Make sure to keep your fridge about 2/3 stocked. A full fridge is a happy fridge. That's less air for it to have to cool. And try not to place hot food inside the fridge, like roasts or soup. This will raise the temperature inside your refrigerator, shortening the shelf life of your other food items. You can also try lowering the temperature of the fridge or use power cool to give it an instant chill. It's also important to keep your fridge out of direct sunlight and away from appliances such as an oven or cooktop. And I know we're harping on it, but be sure to keep the door seals clean. So if they're dirty, they may not be able to create that perfect vacuum seal. So to recap, if your fridge isn't cool enough, make sure your fridge has enough clearance, 2 inches at the back, top, and sides. Keep your fridge 2/3 stocked and place food items 2 inches away from the vents. Do not block the vents and don't place hot food inside. Try lowering your fridge's temp or turn on power cool for an instant chill. Don't place your fridge in direct sunlight or next to appliances that radiate heat. And be sure to clean the seals around the refrigerator door. Now your milk should be nice and cold, Bill. Maybe you should try having those cookies and milk again. Enjoy!